Former Vice President Joe Biden was asked how Democrats can defend a request for a ban on AR-15 rifles after the Texas church shooting when Stephen Williford, a neighbor and former National Rifle Association firearm instructor, reportedly stopped Devin Kelley from killing more people with his own AR-15. Biden responded by saying neither Williford nor Kelley should have had the rifle in the first place. "Well, first of all, the kind of gun being carried, he shouldn't be carrying," he said while on the NBC's Today Show Monday. "Assault weapons are, I wrote the last serious gun control law that was written. It was law for 10 years, and it outlawed assault weapons. Number 2, it's just rational to say certain people shouldn't have guns. Now, the fact that some people with guns are legally able to acquire a gun and they turn out to be crazy after the fact, that's life, there's nothing you can do about that," Biden added. The law Biden was referring to was the Public Safety and Recreational Firearms Use Protection Act, which was signed by then-President Bill Clinton in 1994. The law banned 19 types of military-style firearms, but a clause in the law saw it expire after 10 years, as Congress opted not to renew it. As a result, the firearms were no longer banned after 2004.